Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Indah Kumalasari. My MPN 22020400011. Okay, I will present my proposal in title Podcast as Social Media in Improving Listening Skill. The background of this study is titled Podcast as Social Media in Improving Listening Skill. Along with the times, technology is also growing. In this day and age, technology is needed in the world of education. Technology used such as listening to music, audiovisual, and podcasts. Podcasts are one of the media that can be used anywhere. According to Maulida et al., podcasts can also improve students' listening skill because listening skills are basic skill, but there are still many students who have difficult learning listening skill. Formulation of the problem. From the background that has been described above, the following is the formulation of the problem. 1. Why are students lacking in understanding listening skill? 2. Can the effectiveness of podcast improve student listening skill? The purpose of this study is to determine the benefits of using podcasts in developing students' listening skill in learning English. Students not only developing listening skill but also can develop vocabulary, pronunciation, and many others. Review-related finding according to Rela 2023 in his writing entitled Developing English Listening Skill for Comprehension Through Repetition Technique Using Podcasts, which as quantitative research method. This study aims to investigate the effectiveness of podcasts in improving students' listening skill. And the result of the study conclude that the use of podcasts is an effective medium for improving students' listening skill at school. In his research, the researchers used the experiment method. Research used quantitative methods. The population used was 10th grade students of 41 high school. The sample used by research is students of class 9 IPS 2. The instrument used by research is to use the listening test method, namely pre-test and post-test, where students must answer 3 essay questions, and data collection technique, namely research in their research using tool technique, normally pre-test and post-test technique. In data analysis, her research used the PIET method, which is a post-test of class 9 IPS 2 students, and research analysis the result of the PIET test that the use of podcasts can improve students' listening skill.